This is how to create or build a trackable flight website. Okay, as you can see, this is a website that allows you to track your flight and book your flight. So as you can see, the schedule flight, the prices and everything. So I'll be taking you through how this website works. First of all, let's check out the live chat section where you can chat live with the customer care. So our name, let's use the John Cena. Then the right up, I want to book a flight. So let's go to the live chat section. Okay, see our chat. Let's say, where are you traveling to? So you are replying as a customer care. Then the user or the client will see it. Where I reply to, then the client can reply. Let's say London. Then the customer care can reply, okay, you can make payment on the website. So this trackable flight website allows you to make payment through the website. So I will take you through how to make payment and how to add your own payments. You can see they have round trip and one way. You can see the airports. You can see the to, the from and everything. The departure time, the return, the passenger, the class. So as you can see, today we are doing this video on the 24th of December. That's why it's showing 24th. You work with the current time and date. So this is the admin section of the flight website. You can see the booking we have. You can see the airline, the route, the departure, arrival status and the rest. So this is where you add a new flight. This is where you add a new flight. You can search for, maybe you can search for airline. See, this Emirates airline. So I'll be taking you through how to create a flight and how to create an airline. So you can see the airports, you can see the various airports. We have Amsterdam, we have Barcelona, we have Cairo, we have Charles, we have India, there's over 96 airline here, and you can add more. So let's start by adding a flight. Okay, so here's the flight details. This is where we add the flight details. So let's add the random airline. Let's say Rich Boy Airline. So you can add an airline that you want, any airline you want to add the logo, just add a random flight number. So origin airport, so you can choose any airport you want the airline to be coming out from. So let's choose Amsterdam. Then destination airport, let's choose Barcelona. So departure time 9 a.m, arrival time 11 a.m. So you can schedule the date and the frequency. So you can do everything with the admin section. Please note this, if this video is for educational purpose only. So you can decide to add an already existing airline to the website or create your own airline. So total seats 120, base price, let's put $1,000. As you can see, we have successfully created a flight. So let's go back to the home page and book a flight from Amsterdam to Barcelona, the one we created. Choose the date, let's say 25th, so Christmas Day, returning on 30th December 2025. One adult economic. You can see this is the price we imputed, $1,000. So you can decide, as a user can decide to book now. A user can decide to book now and make payments. You can see $1,100. So the user need to fill out his name and email. Let me log in my Gmail. Okay, user can decide to put his name. Let's use Richie. Our email, let's use our Gmail. So we are now logging in as a user that wants to book a flight. So you put your phone number, put date of birth. You just put your random date of birth, nationality, let's use America. And passport number, just use a random number. So special request, this is optional in case it's wheelchair or disabled. So this is the payment method. You can pay with USDT, bank transfer, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything. You can also add payments. So let's try and make payment with USDT. Okay. So this is the QR code of the USDT, and this is the amount, $1,100. So this is the wallet address. So this is the where you add your payment details on the website. You see payment settings. This is where you add your payment details, whether it's bank transfer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. So let's view this USDT and edit it. You can see this our wallet is the same wallet on the user side. So you can decide to add your own USDT wallet. Let's just use my wallet address. Let's save it. So let's go back to the user site and refresh. You see that it have changed. Voila, my wallet address. So you can add any wallet address, that is your wallet address, and want to use to collect payment. So once a user make payment, you upload the proof or the screenshot of the payment. Then transaction ID is optional, but let's put hash ID. Where user can put its hash ID. You can see payment pending. So as for the admin, you will receive this payment pending, then you can decide to approve or reject. So let's go back to the admin section. Let's go back to the admin section to approve this payment. So next step, click on booking management. Then you see pending payment. You can see Richie. So you can decide to view the screenshot or the payment proof the user uploaded and cross check if you have seen it. Then if you have seen it, you click on approve payment. You can see $1,100 approved. So we have approved it on the admin side. So let's refresh the user side. You can see status paid. That be paid. So the user can decide to print out the receipts if you have a printer. So as you can see, this is a premium airline booking website. So the next step, let's create an airport. So this is the users can log in on the website. Users can log in on the website. So this is the flight management. Let's add the airports. This is the airports, available airports. So we have many airports here. So you can decide to add your own airports or add an already existing airport. So let's add our own airports. So IAT code, let's just put Rich Boy Tech RBT. The ICAO code is RBTA. Let's just put a random code. So airport name, let's put Rich Boy Tech Airport. So put the city is located. Let's put a random city. Let's say New York. Then the country of the airport, let's just put United Kingdom. I just put in a random figure. You don't need to correspond. So I just do it for the video purpose. So this time zone, you can look for the time zone on Google. So let's use a Europe/London time zone. So you put the latitude and longitude. You can see airport created successfully. So we just created Rich Boy Tech Airports. You can see the available airport. So let's look for our Rich Boy Tech Airports, the one we just created. Okay, look at it. Rich Boy Tech Airport. You can see active. So let's try and book a flight using Rich Boy Tech Airport. So let's try and book a flight. Let's add a flight. Add flight. You can see Airline. Let's say Rich Boy Tech Airline. Then logo. Let's put our logo. Then flight number. Let's just put RBTA random number. Origin. So let's look for our airport we just created. That is RBT. Okay, Rich Boy Tech Airport, New York. So destination, let's put London. So we are going to London from our airport. So you put departure time. Let's put 8 a.m. Then arrival time, let's put 11 p.m. Let's put 11 p.m. So flight schedule generation, start date, end date. frequency daily. Terminal, let's just put right on terminal. That's terminal airport. So gate A40. Air type, this is where you put the plane. Let's just put private jet. Total seats 18. So price, let's put $50,000 based on it's a private jet, so it's also expensive. You can also use this site for your celeb work. Okay, just see airport and flights have been created. So you can see we now have 1,000 total flight of 1,750. So once you created a flight on airport, you can give your client the website. Your clients can book book a flight for you and make payment. So let's create a flight booking using our Rich Boy Tech New York. You can see from New York to, let's say, London. Departure time tomorrow, which is Christmas Day. I'm doing on this video 24th of December, so this site automatically take your time details and put it there. So let's say class, first class, search for flight. You can see available flight $50,000 per person. You can see details, aircraft, private jet, duration 15 hours. So let's book now. 18 seat left. Let's book now. So you can fill in the payment, the passenger info. Let's fill in the passenger info. Let's put our Gmail. So you can book for somebody and somebody can also book for you, depending on how you want to do your thing, you know. Date of birth, nationality, America, passport. Let's put a random passport number. The specialty, let's leave it blank. So I'm making payment with USDT. You can make payment with bank transfer or other currency. So let's use USDT. Secure booking. So once the client book the payment, we take the client to this place where you can make payments using USDT. Like I said before, you can add payment method using the admin section. You can add payment method using the admin section. You can add PayPal, Litecoin, any payment method, you can add it. So once you add the payment, the client make the payments, then the client will submit the screenshot to approve. Click on confirm payment. You can see payment status is pending. So once you receive the payment to your wallet or your bank, you can go to the booking management section, then payment, pending payment. So you view the payment, you view the screenshots the user sent or the client sent. So once you receive it, click on approve. If you don't receive it, click on reject. So let's click on approve. Let's approve this $55,000 payment. Okay, refresh. Okay, payment made. So this is how you book a flight. So you send this is the book reference. This is the code you will give to your client to track the to track the flight for you. So this website can also track flights. So let's go back to the animators. Okay, this way you can print out the flight tickets. You can print out or screenshot it. Let's say proof to send to your user or client. Note you can change the logo of this website. You can change the logo, you can change the color. So this is the admin section. This is the manage users. Note users can also log in and register this website. You can give the website to your client to log in or register for you. Then flight management. This is all the flights. This is where you add flights. This is all the airports. They also add airports. You can add existing and already existing or non-existing airports. Okay, you can see this website is very, very premium. So this is the booking website. Let's track our booking. You can see we just paste our booking. This is the code you will give to your client to track the booking for you. So let's go back. Let's track another flight. Track flights. Let's copy our booking reference. Paste it here to track our flight. Voila, you can see already paid. So now you can also audit here, edit the booking in case you miss a flight or you are rebooking a flight. You can also edit it. Understand? So let's track another flight. Voila, as you can see, this one is 495 and you have not made payments. So the clients can make payment on your behalf. You can see bank details. So let's change these bank details. You can let's put a random bank details. Payment settings, bank transfer. You can put Bank of America, any bank. Let's say Bank of the Rich. Please note this video is for educational purpose only and creating awareness. Account name Rich Boy. So let's refresh. You can see, yeah, bank name Bank of the Rich Boy. So once the client make payment, you upload the proof, you see everything. So this is the bank manager. Very easy to operate. Everything's easy to operate. The flight site is very easy to operate. This way you set your currency. This website have over 300 currency, dollar, euro, pounds, any currency of your choice. You can set it on this website. You can see this is a premium website. So if you need the script or you want to build this particular website or you want us to build this particular avatar for us, I will leave a link below where you can contact Fishboy Tech to get it. You understand? You can change the color, you can change the logo, you can change the write-up, anything you want to do. You can also put an already existing website, already existing flight booking website here. You get me? So let's go back to customer care. Let's say I have made payment. Let's say user have completed made payment. Then you as the site owner will see it. I have made payment. Let's say okay, save. So let's see, have a safe flight. So this is how it works. So if you have any question, let us know, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also check out our other videos. We have very productive videos on our channel. Bye for now.